guys, welcome back to my channel. I am participating in a new challenge today, but I'm going to give you the details later. I just want to show you right now how the piece I'm going to work on looks before I start transforming it. So I have this bottle that I found at Goodwill. I paid $2 for it, and these are the measurements for the kind of label that I'm going to add here after I repaint it. So I'll be right back when the piece is painted and dry. Okay guys, I'm back, and now this kind of jar bottle that I showed you before is painted. I painted it white using my favorite paint, which is Rust-Oleum White Flat, and it's the one that is paint and primer all in one, and it's awesome. It really dries fast and it covers you remember this had a lot of colors, so in this case I had to give it 2 coats, but usually if it's something that is plain, just 1 coat covers everything. This bottle is for the Upcycling Ugly Thrift Challenge that is hosted by Pretty Simple Sherry, and as usual I will leave the link to her channel in the description box, and also the link to the playlist with all the videos that are going to be entered in this challenge. As you probably know if you watch my previous participation, this is about finding something in the thrift store, garage sale, whatever, that you consider ugly. Maybe it's not ugly, but you don't like it, and try to transform it in something you do like. So I really didn't like the original colors and style, but I liked the shape, so I wanted to transform it in something farmhouse style. So I painted it white, and I am going to add this label. I printed it on vellum paper, and I found out, my initial thought was I was going to transfer all the letters and everything and then paint them, but I found out that I can adhere it right to the bottle using this double-sided tape runner. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to apply the tape very thoroughly, trying to cover all the label. It's very easy, it just requires patience and being careful to cover the whole label. This was life-saving because honestly transferring everything and painting was not as easy as this procedure. Okay, now let's hope that this will work. So I'm going to place it here, and as you can see I just press, and I can even remove it a little bit to avoid the bubbles. Well, there will be a few left, but doesn't matter, doesn't bother me. if I have more time I would do it better, and I probably will remove it later and glue it again or print another one to avoid this. It's only that, as usual, as I always say, at least in my case, when I do things on camera, they don't work as well as they do when I rehearse them. And I say that because when I printed this one, I found another label that I liked, and I couldn't choose. Honestly, I couldn't choose. So I printed both of them, and ta-da! Here is the other one. So I can use this with this side facing the front, or this side. So as you can see in this case, it worked. It's a little bit twisted, so I will probably remove both of them and place them where they should go. And I have to have some more paint here. But I really like how it looks and how easy to make this was. I'm really bothered by these bubbles, so, but well, you get the idea. And I'm going to finish this adding some twine. No, this is what I want to do. In this case, I'm not going to glue the twine, because if I want to use the other side as a front, I just have to move the twine around to place the knot on the other side. So I will just tie this as tight as possible. I like it. I'm going to cut a little bit here and here, and I'm going to add this one here, and in this case I'm going to glue it because I'm not going to make any knots. So I'm going to use the hot glue and my finger protector. As I always say, I bought this from China, but now Dollar Tree has them in the crafter corners, or crafter's corner. So this is a great solution not to get your fingers burnt anymore. I love the fingers protector. So here we go. We are almost done. And let's finish it here. Like so. Yes, I like it. So here you have one side and the other side. At this time I like this side better, but I'm still not sure. I like this level also, so I will probably use it a few days from one side, and then I'll use this side. And when I want that, I just have to move this maybe to the other side, or untie it and tie it on this side. So this is my transformation for this challenge. Hope you like it, and if so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you do all those things, as I told you in my other videos, all your dreams will come true. As you can see, I really want you to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much, Sherry, for hosting this challenge, and thank you to all the crafters that are participating, and thank you so much to you for watching. Hope to see you in my next video, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.